Scumblers have a stiff bristled tip. Comes to a point, it's rounded. Load it dry and scrub your paint on in a circular motion. You can use a paper towel to control the amount of paint on. There you don't need a lot of paint for this technique for it to look soft and fluffy. You kind of want to keep your brush dry and load up just a little bit of paint at a time so you get this soft blended effect. I'm going to use a little bit more of it and darken up these corners here. Just going to layer colors on top of one another and blend edges. Adding in a little bit of teal here. And we want to blend out this area here. Just scrub over the top with your lighter color. Adding a hint of green here along the horizon line. Just setting the brush down and letting it drag. And create these random shapes. To change colors, just wipe your brush clean. If you wet it down, it will soften the bristles and it won't be as stiff. Won't scrub as well. So just keep your brush dry. You can moisten your paints if you need a little bit more moisture in the brush, but I'm going to switch to the smaller brush here. Get smaller details.